I'm about to show you how you can download R.E.P.O in just a few steps. So this is the new game that some people say it's like the new Little Company and it looks really good. So I'm gonna show you how you can install it in just a few steps. All you need to do is go to Steam, download it if you don't have it already, and search for R.E.P.O like this, and you will see it's right here. It has just released today, so you need to add it to your cart, and once you have done that, click on view my card and continue to payment. So then you need to select a payment method. You can see the list of all the payment methods you can add. In my case, I'm gonna add my credit card and complete the payment. After that, you will get some Steam points. Click on agree to the terms and purchase it. And once the payment has been completed, you will see this button to install the content. So you just need to click there and select the drive where you want to install the game and click install. So now the download will start automatically, and just after a few seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed, you will have R.E.P.O ready to play with your friends. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.